Hi, this is Fred over at Platinum Auto World. I'm going to shoot a quick video of this 2013 Ford F150. It does come with the 5.0 automatic transmission with 131,000 miles. Alright, I hope this video gives you an idea of what this truck looks like and sounds like. Feel free to give us a call at 540-898-8300. This truck is available now at driveplatinum.com. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.